Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about the index and what is happening currently. This week so far very tough, right? News keep coming in not my favor, and things are like stalling where they were. So they're gonna move, but we have to see what they're doing, what the price is doing in different pairs and indexes, right? So let's get started with the Aussie index. Let me just go back a little bit and then show you what I was expecting and how I was tracking. So you can see here, this chart is I made a long time ago, right? And I made it when October, that we're gonna be bouncing from here. This is a weekly chart that we're gonna be going over there in this area, right? And then we're gonna drop from there. Obviously when we hit that, that's the idea. So what happened once we got there, we got there, right? And then I said, okay, now we're gonna drop all the way down to this low here. Okay, so currently what happened is that we dropped all the way down to this low. Remember the a couple of weeks ago market crashed. That's what happens, and it came down and went up back to 45.10. Now what is cooking here? What's cooking here is this. The chart I made is this, that it dropped big time, right? And then in A, B, C fashion it went back to 45.10, and it is also 61%. So I made this chart on 18th January that we're gonna be probably dropping from here. Now it's gonna get weaker, right? And then Euro, Aussie, Pound, Aussie will go up, and then Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, Aussie CAD, wherever the Aussie on the left hand side will drop. Okay, so far what happened to this chart? Okay, this is the Elliott wave count, and this is what I'm looking at. Okay, theoretically this is the chart, and follow these charts for years and years. I made it like 10 years ago, or more than that. So they are good, and this Elliott wave and harmonic patterns, and both the same study. And then if you learn, and if you follow, you can do amazing things, believe me. So what happened to this chart so far? I just recorded a current chart of this same thing. Is this? So you draw the TL connecting these two. So what happened is that from 61% it dropped a little bit, and then it went up, down, and then going back up to the TL again, and very close to 45.10 level again, or maybe just stay below that, and the TL may going to stop it, or something else. What is that something else? If you notice that this small thing is a very small version of this big thing. A big move, ABC correction back to 61%, right? It's like a W. What do we call it, right? You can check calculation wise that is it a bad pattern, or is it a girdle, and what is it? Okay, it all depends on what kind of calculation we are doing here, small. So we go back and see the smaller time frame to see what's really happening. This is 40-minute charts. How about going and taking a look at a 20-minute chart? Okay, all right. On 20-minute chart, this is what's happening on that small thing. What is small thing? This is small. You see this move, down move, and A, B, C, this correction. This is on a 20-minute chart, looks like this. Okay, down move, first pullback at 61%, and a drop exactly to 23% line and bounce, and now going back to 78%. You pull the fifth from here, extension 127 is right there. So this is the area, and 45.10 is above. So it must stay above, below 25.10. This is the area, either right from there. Remember, we look at these patterns and Elliott wave for an idea, and it doesn't have to be exactly the same. One little move or news or any catalyst or any force, outside force, can move the price, right? So this can drop right from here without touching these numbers or TL. But the idea is that what is happening. All we have is that these are studies, right? So we have the TL going right there. This is 127 of this, and then 78% making a perfect girdle, and then drop. This is gonna be at 4,500. Right now we are at 44.79. So 20 more pip. May go, may not. This is the area I'm looking that it has 80% chance of dropping from here. But so far we know that we had a news, and it is a kind of positive news if you look at it. Let me just show you this, on a Forex Factory, if you go and if had it be a negative news, it would have been dropped already, right? So but now, unfortunately the news came out. Aussie, you see this here? Oops, here, see, it was not too big, not too bad. It's like 0.4. It came out 0.5, right? But it's a red news. It affects. And this one stays the same, right? Trimmed mean CPI is 0.4, and expected 0.4, came out 0.4. This is just a 0.1% more. So because of this, Aussie got it strong a little bit, and then it is making another leg up into this area, and right there I think that it's gonna be dropping. Okay, so this is what's happening. If that happens, if I'm right, and if that happens, then you know that Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie will be going up, and Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, Aussie CAD, wherever Aussie on the right hand side, they will be dropping. Okay, so pay attention to this, and this is what's really happening, and knowing when at the time, if the price not moving, but it's doing something, it's just secretly cooking something. So if we can dig in and then find out what is happening, then we can do amazing things, believe me. It is calm before the storm, and but you have to see what is happening inside the eye of a hurricane, right? And if we can find out, and this is what so far in Aussie dollar I found out that this is what's happening, and it's powerful. Okay, if this happen, we have 5, 6, 7 pairs where we can do big trades in coming days. So get ready, and let's see if I am right. And if not, if one more positive news comes out from Aussie, then maybe Aussie is gonna break and then go above this 45.10, and my whole this mumbo jumbo will collapse, right? But so far so good, and it's still I'm holding for last week. I made these charts, and we are still holding right there at 61%, right? And we are just cooking just like that. Any big move, either it happens straight, like for this drop, pullback and drop, when you have a very fast momentum, right? But if it is a slow one, then this is what happened: drop, and then you go ABC in 3 wave, and then drop. This was a fast big move, straight drop. This is small girdle, then drop. Got the idea? Okay, so this is it for now, and just keep an eye on it. And this is the area I showed you here, and if I can, I will send out these charts as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and just keep watching it. Keep an eye on it. How do I close it?